guys, my name is Devin. Welcome back to my humble little abode, or my farm. Oh, if you can't tell, my voice is a little tired this morning, and this is the reason why. I had to get up really early today to record this. As a matter of fact, I got up so early that it could be considered a late night for most people. Yes, this is a true statement. Gonna have to warm up my voice today before we get too carried away with everything. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa. I'm gonna drink some water just to get this show on the road here. So today's mission, I haven't completely decided what it's gonna be, honestly. That being said, I do have two things that I do want to accomplish here. Get an auto feeder for these guys and a plort collector. So we need 1,000 mun. Holy guacamole. That's a lot. I'm gonna go to bed real quick. Sleep until morning. Yay. Hello, farm. How are you doing this morning? Hello, farm. Hello. I'll leave two of you in there. Take it out. Get out of here, Hen. Oh no. That's rough. I need to get more Roo-Roos. Dang it! For the time being, I'm leaving 3 of you in here. And 2 of you in here. You can keep the hen in. Boop! Okay. Now that we have that taken care of, let us feed all the things. Feed them all. I love the cuberries. They're fun. They remind me of strawberries. Maybe that's why I like them so much. And then you guys, you are the mint mangoes. The interesting fruit. Interesting fruit, to say the least. Blue. So since I don't have an auto feeder, oh, that's awkward. Since I don't have an auto feeder, you guys just, you get to throw these down there. Oh, no way. Is that what happens when you feed them their favorite food? That's epic. So, if you could excuse me, good sir. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. 4 of them gave me 10. What if I've been missing out my entire life? Holy moly. These guys are machines! They're pooping machines! What are you doing? You look sad. Friend. Oh no, you're happy. You're just stuck. Now be free! Free! I say free! What is it selling for right now? 73? Oh my goodness! Why did I not do this before? Oh, this is epic. Purchased. I feel like I'm rich now. Yes. Now all I need is an airnet and a music box. What do those cost? $3.50? $9.75 is what I need. Well, in the meantime, I'm gonna go explore. Good slimes. Please be kind to each other. I should go try to find... I'm gonna go back into the one place. What are you? No, why? 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 Why can I not absorb you? Why? Why can I not absorb these special slimes? Why? Where's my Slimepedia? Where are you at? Oh, it's not even in here. I wonder if it's just something I can't absorb. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't find some more of those beautiful honey slimes. What do you... Oh, it's just a crack in the wall. Yes! Where are you? Oh, that's where that's... Okay, never mind. How far can I go? Let's see if we can do it. Oh, no. Yes! That's epic. Brings me joy. Now, off to the, what was this called? The mossy lands? I don't know, the swamp lands? That's what it reminds me of. But I remember there's honey slimes here. And apparently, sell a lot. They're rich. They're for the high class society people. Those who like making mun. Okay. And I know you were this way. Thank you, good sir. What are you? Well, there's nothing except for pink slimes. Where are you, friends? Where dost thou beeth? Hello, pink slime. Oh, that's awkward. I am a teleporting maniac. It's a journey of plorts. This is where they were, wasn't it? Feral slimes. It's hard to be nice to an empty stomach. Ow, dude. Simmer. Simmer. They're going hard. Oh, you suck. You suck, dude. You, sir, suck. I'm just gonna do this if that's the case, then. No pink slimes for me. Dude, they're just brutal. They're so brutal. Dude, what is your problem, man? Hey, hi. Ha ha ha. Take that. Go attack somebody else, you hooligan. Yes. Yes, I'm gonna be rich. Yes. Oh, my contacts are playing games. This is not a good day, friends. Not a good day at all. What's going on up here, boys? Yes. Why? Why? Oh, that's a pogo fruit. Not a big deal. Oh, I thought I was stuck on him. I thought I was sticky grenaded. To death. To death, I tell you. To death. No. Oh, you suck! No! My life. Where are you all at? Hi, buddy. What's attacking me and why? I don't know, but I have a lot of the plorty plorts. These things, these virile creatures of death and agony and despair. Ooh. Q-berry. I don't think I can go into the water, can I? Oh, I can. Yay, and I don't die? Run! I'm gonna drown! I feel like you can't drown in this game, though, so that's okay. I don't know what the boom plorts are worth, but I feel like they have to be worth something in the fact that they can be used as, like, dynamite. Dynamite. What keeps happening to the water plorts? Gives me the sads. The sads. Rooster! I need you, baby cakes. Sorry, water plort. Today's just not your day. Dude, that's quite the little loop to run there. Freedom! For the roosters. Okay, realistically here, many did I get? Oh, just one. That's okay. 2, 4. Let's go with 5. And then... what should I do with you? My extras. I'll put them in here for later. I can't. I'll let you roam free. Be free, little guys. Be free. I take that back. Are you vegetarians? I forgot. Fruit. Okay, good. So they won't go eat my roosters and my hen-hens. Nice. Nice. My mission's gonna be so quick today. This is glorious. 2,600? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do hairnet. Yes. Music box. Don't care about solar shield. Now they can't escape. That's all that matters. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get a couple buffs for me. Where are we at? We want dash boots. We like that. Tank booster. We want that a lot. Power. That's nice. Let's see here. Am I gonna be able to get like everything? Oh my goodness, not quite, but my golly gee willikers. What do I need? 3, 6, 9, 10. I need 1,050 gold. And that is it. Holy, wow. That's glorious. I might as well get rid of these pink guys here pretty soon. I mean, the fact that they eat everything is so convenient. So I'm going to hold on to them for a little while. What do we got here? Oh, I don't want all of you. I just want one of you. Now let's check in here. We got 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I think I found a great rotation. You can have... just like took him out. Get on my level, boys. That was brutal. But it was glorious. It was worth every second. Every second. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. Okay. Sweet. So now I can really boogie around here. Let's go with this because it makes more sense to me. Looks like it's about nighttime. That's nice. I could have done that, but that would have required me to quite literally get rid of all of them. What does it give me, though? Yeah, not worth it. You guys are free. I should! Oh my goodness, why didn't I think about this? I should be unlocking one of these guys. Get like a little wild. I think I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna come back and I'm going to unlock that, actually, now that I think about it. Sleep until morning. And outie I go. Howdy to dowdy. Ooh, baby. Okay, I would like to get to the point where I can kind of, you know, start putting some extra stuff in the silo. Because that would be really nice. But as of right now, I'm just like doing what I need to sustain, which isn't a terrible idea. And I think once I get the wild place, it'll be a little different. Good stuff. Let's go ahead and run that loop one more time, see if we can't find something worth grabbing while I'm over there. Time to run, boys. Time to fly! Rooster. Thank you. I need to get like 8 of these, so that way when they get old and moldy. I mean, you can sprint pretty far. It's still not the same as like teleporting there, but such is life. I forgive myself. I'm excited here. We have a lot of progress in this one because I decided to go with the honey slimes, which was apparently a genius idea. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Woohoo! Just barely made it. Oh, man, my contacts are being dingleberries today. Face berries. No, that doesn't make as much sense. How would you combine dingleberries of the face? I mean, you could just say it, but that's not as cool as creating a word. You suck. Thank you. Nothing, really. Interesting. Oh, why eyes? Why eyes? Why? Okay. Back through the rotation here. See if there's any poopy plorts for me to collect, boys. So there really is not much when it comes to down here. This is all pretty normal. I keep forgetting that you have to actually click the sprint button again to stop it. So confusing. So confusing. Oh, mama. Boom. A boom slime. A boom. Ba-boom. Ba-boom. Boom. Boom. Ba-boom. At the very least, I can grab some of these guys whilst I be waiting. Okay, maybe it's just too early in the morning. Why? Do you not break? These boxes are invincible. Invincible, I swear. Oh, now they'll eat everything. I have a tree for you, so I'm not too worried. I need to... Ow, dude. Get out of here. Dingus hole? It's rude, man. Rude. I don't really need the hen. I'd rather have space for something else. Briar hen. Huh. Dude. Why? Why are you even a thing? What the heck? Get out of here! Get away from my... Get away! What the heck? It's the middle of daytime! Dude. They're just eating everything. There's nothing I can do to stop them. Evil little things. Okay, I'm sick of you. That's right. Die, clown. Die, clown! Stop! Dude! Get out of here! My goodness! I wonder what these are. Like if they're actually worth the time I'm putting into collecting the dang briar hens. They gotta be worth something. They're a totally different type of hen. I'll look at the slime. Get out of my way! My gosh, dude. They're just like, why? Thank you. Carrots and stuff. Not a big deal. Collect all the things. All the things. Gonna continue on my merry little way. That was a pain in the butt. Those things just would not get out of here. Thank you. That's nice. Oh no. No! I need you. I didn't mean to get rid of you. I wanted to get rid of you. Pink plorts aren't worth very much, so I'm okay with dumping a whole tray of these for one. It's worth 75. I mean, holy moly, if I get one more, then I've made up for it. Woo! Speaking of, one more. I did it, guys. I did it! I did it! I made a smart decision. Yeah. Ow. Rude and disrespectful. Interessante. What are you? Any food? Any food for me, boys? Why, thank you. You are ever so kind. See, I don't know if the briar hens were actually worth it, but what I do know is these guys were. Oh no, they went down. Way down. That's okay, I still got 1,000. So I need 1,700 to get these guys. Okay, which is a start. Let's go ahead and throw... Holy moly. Let's throw... Stony chick. Nice. Oh my gosh. I think I may have maybe develop something that potentially could overpopulate here. I'm gonna lead. I love it. I love it so much. Here, guys, have fun. I'm gonna put this in your auto feeder here. Oh my goodness. I just leave for a short period of time and everything is just, my goodness. It's so overrun. There's gonna be chickens just flying around everywhere. Oh, mama. Okay, I definitely got enough here. Oh, I never thought about this. Even though they'll still be able to run over there and eat the mango fruit. What am I doing? Man, decisions. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Plort authority. Plort authoritoire. Which means I have a little bit more than enough. I'm interested. I want to see what this looks like. Okay, I'm going to take you guys and put you in the wild here. Where's the other one? Where'd he go? Where did he go? I don't see him anywhere. Maybe he's just not here. Maybe he gone. Oh, there he is. You can't escape me, slime. I will hunt you down. I think 5, yeah, because I had 6 and I put 1 in there. Oh! I could put like little trees. This is like literally free range. This is cool. Okay. So I think I'm gonna... This is awesome. This is... What? And it keeps going? How far do you go? There's legitimately just like a wild... No. No! Not another one! No! That's gonna take all next episode. Why do these things not break? What the heck? This is epic though. I'm not gonna worry about it. Like, this is all just a wilderness expansion that I opened up. This is epic. My goodness. Hi, buddy. Oh, he doesn't have a diet. He's just a lucky slime. Yeah, that's right. Get out of here, lucky slime. Sick of you. Oh, there's a key back here. Yes. I don't have one, but yes. I can get one from the kitty cat slime, though. This is glorious. This is such a cool little expansion. What are you? No! Oh well. I'll come back to you later. I'm not entirely disappointed because I'm still so excited that this is like a giant wilderness expanse for me. This is awesome. And it looks cool too. Like, I wouldn't mind just kind of hanging out. Too bad you can't build stuff in this game, like legitimately build like structures so you could have like a little farm out there or something, you know? Oh, and I'm wondering if the slime can't get out because that's so, like, they don't... Maybe there's, like, an invisible wall for them. Tasty. Don't know what that is, but I know it exists. Let's go ahead and see if we don't have a couple of these guys that we can throw in that first spot. Can you come? No? No? Okay, fair enough. Whatever, such is life. Now that we have witnessed that, guys, holy moly, that is glorious. I'm so excited. That was a lot of fun. I didn't expect that to be as wide an expanse as it was. Maybe the other one, too, is going to be like a intricate cave system. I don't know, but that was cool. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you did like this video, hit the like button down below. If you'd be willing to, you can subscribe. That'll keep you updated to videos, games, and yes, even vlogs. You can share this with your friends and family. That'll help me out a lot. But you can even take it one step further and share with even the people you don't like. Why? Because we love everybody here. I love you guys, and my voice is squeaking because I'm tired and it's early in the morning. See you guys later. Toodles.